Happy birthday, Auntie J. We love you. Have a great day.
Happy birthday. Live it up.
Hey Jay, just wanted to wish you a very happy birthday. I hope you have a great day. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Good morning, Jay Bird. God bless you. Happy birthday. I'm so proud of you and I love you so much. My little girl, a wife, a mother, and a real estate agent. Blessed to live another year. Happy birthday. Enjoy yourself. Have a great, wonderful, blessed day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jocelyn. Hope you have many, many more. Love you. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Jocelyn. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.